Well, it's a new year, and like every year before this, certain styles and trends are now moving offline, as it were. In other words, their popularity days are declining. Want to find out which ones are on the outside looking in as 2025 kicks off? Hey there, I'm Bobby Moore, and after spending more than 30 years in home renovations and remodeling, I've seen it all. The good, the bad, and the what were we thinking? Picture this, you've invested $30,000 in what you thought was your dream renovation. The contractors have left, the dust has settled, and 2 years later, you're already planning to redo everything. Sound familiar? Trust me, I've seen this story play out more times than I can count. Let's talk about something that I hate to see, watching homeowners pour their hard-earned money into trends that age fast. Remember when all gray everything was the height of sophistication between 2015 and 2022, 2023, maybe even into 2024? Now those same homeowners are spending thousands to inject some life and some color back into their spaces. And then there are barn doors. What blasted on the scene as charming Pinterest sensation became the ultimate dated stamp on homes across America. Sure, they look great in photos, but in the wrong places, living with that constant rattling and limited privacy can lead to some serious regret. Actually, I admit that I added a barn door to a home just as they came into the home renovation scene. Wow, that was 12 years ago now. I loved them early on, and in the right area of the home and the right style, I'd still use them. But please, don't use them for bathrooms. Very bad idea. Here's a shocking statistic that might make you sit up straight. Following short-lived trends can actually decrease your home's resale value by up to 15%. That's right, those must-haves here today, gone tomorrow design choices could be costing you serious money when it comes time to sell. Let's dive into 8 design trends that are rapidly becoming yesterday's news. Farmhouse style overload. You know what I'm talking about. Shiplap on every wall, those live, laugh, love signs, and enough distressed furniture to fill a barn. While Joanna Gaines made it famous, this style is now screaming 2018. Luckily, it's not that expensive to redo, revamp, or modify if you would like to. Subway tiles everywhere. While it is definitely a classic in small doses, we went overboard. From bathrooms to kitchen backsplashes, laundry rooms to fireplaces, it's time to explore more distinctive options. I don't think I can even count the number of kitchens that have this from the counters to the ceiling and multiple walls. My mother would call that gilding the lily. Rose gold and millennial pink. Remember when everything had to be rose gold? Fixtures, hardware, even appliances. These metallic trends typically have a 3 to 5 year lifespan before they start looking dated. And their life expectancy just ran out. And I, for one, am super glad. It was not a combo that I was ever a fan of. Hey, if you're loving these insights, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for weekly renovation tips that could save you thousands. Now, accent walls. That bold geometric wallpaper or dark paint might have seemed exciting at first, but it's becoming the first thing that homeowners new to their houses want to change. All white kitchens. They look great on Instagram, but living with them, the maintenance is a nightmare, and designers are now embracing warmer, more practical tones. And if white is right for you, then find a way to add a touch of color and warmth somewhere in the space. It's easy enough to do. Industrial chic. Exposed ductwork, concrete floors might work in urban lofts, but they're losing appeal in suburban homes. In order for this look to really look well, the space needs to be right, and a 1950s rancher isn't it. But add in a touch or two to mix things up if you still want to use it. DIY mason jar everything. From lighting fixtures to bathroom accessories, this Pinterest-inspired trend is definitely showing its age. Little fact you might not know, the price for those mason jars in consignment and used stores has skyrocketed. I used to find them everywhere, and now I rarely see any. Open concept everything. While some openness is great, many homeowners are now craving defined spaces and privacy, especially after 2020. So if you're thinking of removing closet doors or installing shelving in the kitchen, which is something I love to see in homes, just make sure you do it in areas that you can manage and keep looking nice. Now I know what you're thinking. Bobby, how do I avoid these expensive mistakes? That's exactly why I created the Home Renovation and Remodeling Toolkit. This comprehensive guide helps you make design choices that stand the test of time and that you love. And most importantly, you create a home that you love and want to live in for years to come. Let me share a quick success story. One of my clients, Sarah, was about to spend $85,000 on a trendy kitchen renovation. After using our toolkit, she redesigned her plan with timeless elements and saved $27,000. That's real money back in her pocket. The best part, our toolkit helps you save on your own renovation, saving up to 20 to 30% on contractor costs. Plus, you get one-on-one sessions with me included for questions and support. And you're ready to start your renovation journey the right way? Here's what you can do right now. First, grab your free renovation checklist. The link is in the description below. This alone could save you from costly mistakes. Second, consider enrolling in our Home Renovation and Remodeling Toolkit course. It's an online course packed with 30 years of real-world experience, step-by-step guides, and trainings, as well as practical solutions. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We share money-saving renovation tips every single week. Remember, whether you're planning a small update or a complete home overhaul, you don't have to navigate this alone. Visit our website or book a free consultation. Let's have a home you'll love for years to come, not just until the next trend comes along.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.